We are going to make the spaghetti bolognese. For the sauce, we need the tomatoes. Here I have a parsley. Yeah. So, gonna pluck some rosemary, Andy.
Yeah.
Wait here, welke is rosemary? Yeah. Oh. They have flowers. Yeah.
Look, stay here. Guys,
Tomatoes is so many. Still growing. Yeah, inside here. See that? Just so many. Wee. Kan je halen dat pakken?
Maar niet voor mij, ja?
Niet voor jou?
Nee, maar ik lust dat niet. Wat is
And
dat?
yeah, that is rosemary. Hey, that is for my spaghetti. We make spaghetti with rosemary, blood. And what happened to the chili here?
Chili.
It's the storm. Chili fall. And so the weather is already changed.
Dat was niet. Ik zag hem elke dag hier.
And look what I have here.
Mama,
Cabbage.
die was elke dag hier op de grond.
The cabbage, only few of them. But I hope it survive.
Moet je ook komkommer?
My cucumber for your school morgen. Look at the size of the cucumber. It's going up. See?
Komkommer voor
Have to
mijn
clean up.
school, maar voor vandaag.
Whoops. They're gonna throw away.
Ja.
Cucumber is up. Season. The season is already up. Yeah. Good so. And we're gonna to look at the here what I have. Oh dear. Look at my kangkung. Cuma satu biji. And the serai lemongrass. But it's too late. I think I'm gonna to put it inside. I don't know if they are survive inside. And oh my god, the sweet potato so small. That is enough. Genoeg? We need to clean this garden. Tomatoes is on the floor. It's too much. Come. Sesuar, Andy. Sesuara.
Mama, één raspberry.
Oh, dankjewel.
Die raspberry.
Dankjewel. Terima kasih.
Raspberry dan.
So, Tami.
Nee, ik had toen in de koelkast zat daar raspberry.
Yeah, that is for us a winter. So, what to do with this rosemary for the spaghetti? Just take the leaves. And then I just chop that. Oh, I forgot to take the basil. Yeah. You can roast this one first if you want, but I don't do it. I just use it like that as a sauce. And also use the sauce from the pot. So this is enough. I also use this one. So I have a lot of things from the garden for the cooking. Smells so good. And I forgot to take the basil, and we're gonna take the basil in the garden. This is my basil, guys, and I don't think it survived in the winter outside, so that is enough for today pasta. So And for the basil, I'm gonna to put it at the end of the cooking. Put the basil. So I just chopped it. Here I have the olive oil and the butter. Now wait. And for the ingredient, I have here pepper, salt, of course, and this what I mean is the spaghetti sauce in the pot. And I also had this one, tomatoes, and of course minced meat, beef. Here is the rosemary and tomatoes, parsley and basil. And here we have garlic, big onion, paprika, and carrot. And here is the spaghetti. And the last, I'm gonna put this cheese on top. Put salt, some oil. Okay, tomato paste. So here for today's dinner. Is garlic and big onions. Now come the rosemary and tomatoes. And here come the meat. Now I add the carrot and the paprika. We have here chicken stock, the tomato paste, pepper, so you salt, sugar. This pot, the sauce in the pot, the water, so guys, I leave this for about 30 minutes in slow fire until the sauce is a little bit thicker. So guys, this is after 8 minutes. So the spaghetti is already done. Water. We are done, but the sauce is still in process. 30 minutes. Look at the sauce. Beautiful sauce. Look at the sauce. So now we add the parsley and the basil. So we are done. We'll have the spaghetti. It's the cheese, guys. So voila, it's done. And I like to put the chili on it. So guys, that is my spaghetti result, and hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. And you know what, the sauce I'm used for the lasagna or macaroni, and I just leave it in the freezer, and every time I want to make the spaghetti I just take that out.